Good evening, sir. Thank you, Sridhar Garu, for introduction. Basically, I am from Nizamabad district. My native place is Morthad. My father was an accountant. He wanted me to be a chartered accountant. At that time, the result was 2%. When I got through in CA in 83, the success result was 2%. That was my position. When I joined I wanted to become an engineer. My father said, no, you should become chartered accountant. Filling up the form for intermediate, I wrote MPC, but he said that, no, you should not do MPC. You cut it off and you made it CEC. Because of fear of my father, I accepted. And that changed my life from becoming an engineer to chartered accountant. At that time, many people have told my father also that it is not possible to get chartered accountancy completed because there is a lot of success rate is very low. They advised many people, my father, don't waste money like that. But he advised me and he took me to Madras with the best coaching in India. And I stayed there for 1.5 years. I could get through in 83. In 38 years back, I was qualified as chartered accountant. That was the first generation. It means I was the 5th person of Nizamabad district. Because of, after that also, joining in profession also, I maintained principles that there should not be a compromise. There should not be any falsification. There should not be any evasion. It is possible you can reduce the tax liability by being honest also. It is not necessary that you should become dishonest to save the tax. By being fair also you can save the tax, you can plan it, you can do anything. Miracles can be done by proper financial planning, tax planning also. And that is the best thing we are following, and my clients are most successful clients. Those who are paying 10,000 tax 10 years back, now they are paying 25 to 35 lakhs tax voluntarily without any initiation by the government. Means they came to that position with confidence, with the proper financial planning. And in the same way, about this program, Sridhar Garu, myself, we were carrying a Saviour Life Foundation program for 78 months in my office, every month, first Sunday. Say nearly 6.5 years it was carried on. Because of Corona, it was discontinued. Now again this program started from last week onwards. He told me that every Sunday you should be available for Sridhar Garu program, maybe Saviour Life Foundation Entrepreneur Development Program or any other program. I said, okay, I will be available on every Sunday at 4 o'clock. This is my commitment to the programs by Sridhar Garu. The one thing, sir, about history also. Sometimes our history about Kakatiya in this program, history sometimes correct history motivates us. If it is not a correct history, it will discourage us. History is the foundation for present and future. If the history is not encouraging, we will be discouraged, we will be unmotivated, or we will be thinking something different. But what about until now? The Kakatiyans has ruled I see around 5 states, Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Andhra, Karnataka, and to some extent Maharashtra also. All these states were ruled by Kakatiyans from 900 to 1300 centuries. Means around 400 years they ruled it. We are knowing only what happened after 1400 only. But before 1400, before 1300, many of us doesn't know. Even if we know also that may be correct or may not be correct. That is the problem. So we should try to know what is the history of India, especially ancient India. What is our traditions, how our business were going on, what was our culture, our lifestyle. We used to say that live and let live. That is our policy. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. That is our policy of India, ancient India. We don't want to attack anybody. We want to protect ourselves. Instead of offense, we are defense side. That is our culture. That is our mentality. And this is history is speaking many things. It gives many motivations, I would say, guides also. How it is related to our genetics also. How our mentality, our behavior, how we want to live, how we allow to live. That is our mentality. So in the same way, when comes to the history, what history tells to us, how our people were living, how were their lifestyle, how they were carrying on business, and how they used to look after the people of